23. Ayan, 24 pala. Ayan. Thank you. And meron din ako premiere mamaya. Ayan, my upcoming premiere is 9:15. Hope you can visit my premiere. Watching Si Creatures ni Jules. Ayan, thank you. Thank you so much, Adelina and Oscar. Yan, thank you. Salamat, Shona. It's funny. What trends these days? That trends, I don't know. I have to figure out what is the trends. What is the latest? It's funny. And thank you guys. Thank you to my 9,000 eyes. The advantage sa the horizontal is maraming ads. Pero kunti lang siya ang kunti lang dumadaan. Unlike dito sa naka-vertical, maraming dumadaan sa live. One and only. Yeah, how are you, one and only? From Kosovo. Welcome to my live stream. How are you? Okay, one and only. I'm going to video one and only. Thank you so much. One and only. Only one. You have new uploads? Yeah. Just wait a moment. I will play your video. Thanks. Back. The other day, I screencast my daughter and I playing with toys. 1.2K views and 30 WH. Oh, that's good. Keep going. And I'm going to your video, okay? Adelina and Oscar. As Jules, watch mga short video. Thank you. Lucius Animates. Hello. How are you, Lucius? Ayan, Adelina and Oscar, I'm here in your video. Thank you so much, Lucius. Long time no see. Yes, because you've been away for such a long time. You did not visit my live stream. Where have you been? But now, see now. See you, see me. No new videos. Okay, just fine. Pasuyo sa nakapin. Ayan, guys. Greetings, Erting. Hello. Tam Dan po. Thank you, Kiking. Kiking Yang. Kelly. Okay, Kelly. Thank you so much, Kelly. Takakot sino yan si Kiking Yang. Ayan, Kelly. Thank you, Kelly. Ayan. Please do connect to Kelly, guys. You can drop your link to your main channel. Done. Okay, I'm here in your video, Adelina and Oscar. Dan Connect. Salamat, Ma'am Celeste. Thank you, guys. Nabasa.